You've been washing your pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains without even using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. After watching this video, they'll look brand new. To get rid of the yellow stains, follow this recipe. Take an empty spray bottle. Add 1 part hydrogen peroxide, then add a clear dishwashing liquid. Finally, fill the rest with water. Now, spray the stained pillow with this mixture. Make sure the yellow spots are completely soaked. Leave the pillow for 5 minutes. To wash the pillows, just place them in the washing machine with your chosen laundry detergent. Pillows should be washed at 40 degrees Celsius. Be sure to follow the recommended temperature on the label. This trick is amazing because after washing, your pillows will be snow white. Put your pillow in the fridge. It's ridiculously simple and surprisingly effective. All you have to do is place your pillow in the fridge during the day. To keep it from getting damp or absorbing smells, just seal it in a regular plastic bag. It might sound odd, but once you take it out, resting your head on a cool pillow feels amazing. You'll definitely want to do this every hot day. You can also chill your socks in the fridge or simply wet them with cold water. Cooling down your feet triggers an automatic response in the body that improves circulation in that area, which helps you fall asleep faster. A similar effect comes from taking a cool bath or soaking just your feet in cold water before bed. These simple tricks make it much easier to sleep on hot nights. Put 1 aluminum foil ball under your pillow before bed. It takes 1 minute, and the difference is bigger than you think. Grab a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It absorbs odors and helps freshen the air. Add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt soaks up moisture and helps the mixture hold its shape. Now take a lime and use the zest. Grate it finely. It has a strong, fresh scent and makes the whole space feel cleaner. Next, add a small amount of toothpaste. It gives an intense, minty freshness, and its thick texture helps everything bind together and keeps the scent lasting longer. Then add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender calms you down, helps you relax, and makes it easier to fall asleep. Mix everything well until it turns into one firm mass. Shape it into one large ball. Wrap it tightly in aluminum foil so it keeps its shape. Poke a few small holes in the foil so the scent releases evenly. Place it under your pillow and leave it overnight. This little ball can make your sleep feel deeper and better. The lavender aroma helps you unwind and drift off more easily. You can also use the same ball in the toilet. Drop one into the tank. With every flush, it will slowly release a fresh scent and keep the water smelling clean for a long time. You've been washing pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains from them without using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. They'll be like new after this video. And most importantly, without using a washing machine. Today I'll show you my secret for cleaning them. You just need a few ingredients to create the mixture. First, get an empty jug. Pour 300 milliliters of water into it. Our first mysterious ingredient is baking powder. Add a tablespoon to the jug. The next step is to add 4 tablespoons of vinegar. It has disinfecting and whitening properties. Now add 4 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. It will enhance the effects of the previous ingredients and eliminate bacteria and dust mites. Mix everything thoroughly. Prepare a bottle with a sprayer and pour our mixture through a funnel. Now all you have to do is spray the pillow thoroughly. This way, you'll remove stains without risking damaging the pillow in the washing machine. Don't skip any spots. Then wait for about 30 minutes. After this time, you'll see the first results. Then soak the pillow in a bowl or bucket for an hour. The effect will be even better. The pillow will be clean. Without a sewing machine or cutting the fabric, I resized a pillowcase. I use this trick whenever I have guests at home. I turn the pillowcase inside out and lay it flat. Then, I place the pillow against the shorter edge and fold the excess fabric over it. The pillowcase opening should face upwards. I slide my hand inside the opening and grab one corner of the pillow, pulling the case over it. I repeat this for the other side. Next, I turn the pillow right side out. Again, I slide my hand into the case and grab the protruding corner of the pillow, pulling it through. I do the same with the other corner and it's done. It's important to fold the fabric neatly to ensure a tidy appearance. This way, the pillowcase looks like it's perfectly sized for the pillow. Everything holds securely and looks great. The case doesn't slip off during sleep. A quick and easy trick. You have to try it. Put a trash bag inside your pillowcase and you won't regret it. Next time you change your bedding, try this trick. I've been using it regularly and it works wonders. All you need is a clean, large trash bag, big enough to fit your pillow. First, check the size by placing the bag over the pillow. Once you're sure it fits, put the pillow inside the bag. Make sure the entire pillow is covered. Take a vacuum cleaner and insert the hose into the bag like I did. Turn on the vacuum and hold the bag tightly. In seconds, the air will be sucked out and the pillow will shrink. Remove the vacuum hose and keep the bag sealed. Now your pillow is perfectly compressed. That's exactly what we're aiming for. Get your pillowcase ready and start sliding the bag with the pillow inside. Place the bag from the sealed end into the pillowcase. Once the pillow is fully inside, pull the bag out, leaving the pillow in the case. This trick makes it easy to fit even a large pillow into a small pillowcase without any stress or frustration. This natural spray will clean your mattress and repel dust mites in just 1 minute. Don't waste money on chemical cleaning. This method works much better. Take a spray bottle and drop in 3 sticks of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties, and its strong scent drives away insects and dust mites. Plus, it leaves a warm, spicy aroma that lingers in fabrics. In a tall container, pour about 3 ounces of alcohol. Alcohol disinfects, acts as an antiseptic, and helps dissolve the cinnamon compounds so they work more effectively. The next ingredient is vinegar. Vinegar neutralizes odors, has antibacterial effects, and creates an environment dust mites can't stand. Add about 4 ounces of vinegar. Then pour in 1 cup of water and transfer everything into the bottle with the cinnamon. Shake well so the ingredients blend together. Now you can spray your mattress, especially in the corners where dust mites usually gather. This spray also works great on couches, armchairs, and even in the car. By combining these ingredients, you create a natural protective barrier that ensures not only cleanliness, but also long-lasting freshness in your home. Use it regularly, and your sleep will become healthier and more comfortable. Here's the secret to a clean mattress. Stains and dirt disappear immediately, and dust mites, mold, and fungi are eliminated. Mattress companies don't want you to know about this. With this simple trick, your mattress will last for years. You'll need a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to it. Baking soda will be responsible for eliminating germs and bacteria. Next, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Grab some fabric softener and add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. Mix everything well. Finally, add water and mix it again. Dip a clean towel or cloth into the mixture. Wring out any excess liquid so the towel is damp but not soaked. Lay the towel on the mattress. Place an iron, wrapped in the towel, on top of the mixture. Iron the mattress with the towel-covered iron. There's no need to dry the mattress in the sun. Ironing the mixture will dry it instantly. Now your mattress is clean, dry, fresh, and free from bacteria.